Hey guys, for this video I have some amazing Amazon tool deals to share with you. Everything is going to be linked in the description down below. It will be all Amazon deals. Now I'm debating on piggybacking it with some Lowe's deals in a new video right after this one. We'll see what happens. It may even just be a short, but I do have a couple of deals that I want to share with you from Lowe's. But this will be just Amazon, everything linked down below. First up, we got the cordless random orbital sander. Now this is compatible with your DeWalt 20-volt tools. No batteries included, but it uses your DeWalt batteries. Orbital Sander Dust Collector. This is by Terda. We've seen these guys a few times with these compatible tools, which you guys know I really love. You're also getting the 20 pieces of sandpaper. It is going to be 50% off. So look at that. Variable speed. You got the little dust collection guy. Get your batteries on the backside. Throw that DeWalt battery on there. It even follows the color scheme. You'll trick a few people. And you got 20 pieces of sandpaper to go with it. Starts out at $60, which, okay, even on sale, the legit Random Orbit Sander from DeWalt is $100. So this is already cheaper. But then we have a 50% promo code. You're going to pay $29.99. Really amazing deals. Does work for multiple quantities if you want. And you and the wife can have a little sanding time together. Why not? $29.99, even if it's just a backup. If you already have the regular DeWalt Random Orbital Sander, that's cheaper than a corded plug-in one. So a really good deal there at $29.99 using your DeWalt batteries. Bluetooth FM transmitter, car adapter, all of these things in brackets. Wireless music adapter by Joy Room, 50% off. I absolutely love these. If you've never seen or don't know what an FM transmitter is, these Bluetooth transmitters, so this plugs into the cigarette lighter on your car, or maybe you would call it an accessory port, but I'm old, so it's a cigarette lighter, and this will connect via Bluetooth to your phone. So let's say you got a little Spotify going, some Amazon Music, whatever it is you have, this will connect to it. You see it says 106.8 on your car stereo. You tune that FM dial to 106.8 and you will hear out your car speakers whatever your phone is playing via the Bluetooth, whatever you're streaming. So it's super amazing way for if you have an older vehicle or just something that doesn't have a way to stream your music from your phone through your vehicle. This makes it possible. I love it with the 66, the Caprice, 74 Corvette. Of course, those cars don't, but they do have AM/FM radios. So I can stream from my phone to the car. Really, really great. Also, you can take calls and all sorts of things, but I've only ever used the music function. And of course, they also have these ports here so you can charge your phone while you're at it. So it works as a cell phone charger in addition. So it starts out at $19.99, but then it is 50% off. That is 50% off. Going to be $9.99. $10. That's basically what the charger's worth anyways. You might as well get the extra functionality of the 106.8 FM transmitter portion. One of my favorite items, the 44-piece nut and bolt thread checker, standard metric nut bolt size gauge. This is by Do Create, and it is 50% off. So these come in two different styles. You can get the board style where they have all the holes with threads drilled into it, and then they have little stubby bolts attached, so then you can check all your different stuff. And that is, it's good if you can be stationary with it, if you can be planetary here. Now, okay, well, we'll just go ahead. This is SAE and metric. It comes in the case. These are all individual items, right? So it's the hole on the one side with the threads. It's the stud on the other side with the threads. Perfect for this. My favorite example of this is like at an intake manifold. If you have a hole in there and you got to put a bolt in it, well, you can't bring that board thing over there. You can't test it. These little guys, super easy to test on things like that. The only downside really is these are super easy to lose. If you're not like an organized person, or maybe even if you are, that's really easy because they're all loose little pieces. I have both, if anyone's wondering. $39.99, 50% off, going to be $19.99. Now you're going to use this promo code here, but if it doesn't work for you, give that one there a try. Really like that for $20. We are going to have several Bowen, that's the name I'm going with, different types of mechanic and socket sets. We have 5, maybe. There was a lot. These are pretty good, though, and we've seen this brand a lot lately. I'm hoping we see more of it. So this is a 3/8" drive impact socket set, 48-piece metric and SAE. You got 6 pointers, deep and shallow, extension bar. It's going to be 40% off. So look at that. You get the handy-dandy case. Love the big numbers because we can read them. Our old eyes can see that just fine. I know exactly what I'm looking at there. Got the extensions, little swivel guys. Looks like an adapter guy there. if I'm reading it correctly, because of my old eyes again. And it comes in the handy dandy case. So then it's $89.99, but we get a 40% discount. So it's going to be what, around $50 probably. And that's a 48-piece set, all 3/8-inch drive. Now this one, 13 pieces, 7mm to 21mm, 3/8-inch drive, impact deep socket set, 6-point. This one is 30% off. So again, we get the handy dandy case here. Actually, nice little layout there for those. 13-piece socket set. It says lifetime warranty. I don't know how I feel about their warranty, but maybe. $29.99, 30% is going to take about $10 off. You're going to be at $19.99 through the 22nd for all the Deepwell metric sockets. Here we have the half-inch drive shallow impact socket set, 14-piece, 6-point metric standard socket set, deep embossed and painted markings. Gotta love it. Can actually read it. No, seriously though, I hate not when I was younger, the chrome sockets that are just engraved in the side. Can't read that. Totally guessing. Like, yeah, that looks like 9/16. Let's grab it. 40% off. So this is going to come in the same case. It would be kind of interesting. The listing may say somewhere if these are like stackable or interchangeable, like can they lock together or something, like the Tough System cases, whatever they're called from DeWalt. You know how they all latch together and you can make like a brick out of them. That'd be kind of cool if you could do this with this. Well, looks like you got a clear top, so if you do get more than one, you can see what it is. $45.99. Now we have a Prime member discount, so I don't remember what that is, but if you open up the Amazon page and you are a Prime member, you will see as soon as you open it. And then your 40% off will be in addition to whatever your Prime member discount is. It's supposed to go through the end of the year. You know, that's only 2 weeks away, so it might actually last that long, but you guys know we don't trust the promo codes. They can be killed at any time for any reason. Speaking of killed at any time for any reason, I recently had a roof leak. So in the snowy, wet, icy weather, I'll be getting on the roof to try and stop the roof from leaking. Cordless detail file sander, belt sander with brushless motor, 4-amp-hour battery charger, 6 speeds by CC. It's 50% off. We've seen a lot by this brand. Like, if you didn't watch the Pruners video, you totally missed out. I think the promo code might still be good, but those things were awesome. And they beat the hell out of my DeWalt ones. They were much, much stronger. I was shocked. I was not expecting that. When I started using them and I was cutting through those branches and then it cut through some that I was trying to show that, oh, it could never cut through this, right? And then boom, it went through. I thought, holy shit. So then I had to I wasn't going to do a comparison video, but I was like, oh no, I got the DeWalts over here. Now we got to check. Because I knew the DeWalts wouldn't go through that. Because I've used them enough that I kind of know their limit. So anyway, CC has been really good because they also sent the pump that I was draining the pond with, and that's worked out really well. And then, I haven't tried it myself. I need to. I keep forgetting. People have told me that the CC tools work with Makita batteries. So if you're already in Makita's lineup, you already got their batteries, you already got their chargers, you can slap them on these tools. Okay, so here we got the detail file sander, which we're also going to see a cordless grease gun in the next couple of weeks that they sent me. But here, the detail file sander, getting a couple little sander belts to go with it. $69.99. Again, it was a 4, right? 4-amp-hour battery. I think most of their stuff comes with a 4, which I actually really like because it's kind of that middle porridge. You know, so many things try and stick you with the 2-amp-hour battery, and it's like, what am I supposed to do with this? $69.99, but then 50% off. So the full kit, $34.99. Now the thing is, they have a ton of different cordless tools, and they are somewhat regularly giving me new promo codes on the different ones. So I like that. They all use the same battery. So if you got in on this a while ago, we were doing impact wrenches and the little pruning saws and all that stuff. You already got the battery. You already got the charger. You're just kind of building up to it. And super cheap, much cheaper than many other brands. I mean, $35, you wouldn't even get the battery from a lot of the major brands for that. And so far, I haven't had any problems with the quality. I'm waiting for one to break because that'll be a funner video. Is funner a word? It'll be a more fun video. 18-piece hex key set with T-handle, long arm, metric Allen wrench set, ball end. You gotta love a ball end. I love a good ball end. Torque wrench by Noki. 50% off Really like these color-coded ones. Got the little ball ends. Gotta love the ball ends. Even comes with a little handle guy, although I don't know if I'd use that. I guess it helps with a little leverage. Not digging into your hand with that thing, maybe. $24.99, but 50% off. That's only going to be $12.50. Now, this one is limited stock. It's in stock right now. The promo code's working right now. You can see I actually posted it yesterday. So if you were checking on the website without having to be prompted by a video, then maybe you have already taken advantage of this and got your hex keys for $12.50. Otherwise, you got to be on the draw here. Got to be quick. Don't get shot like was it Aaron Burr that got shot? Titan 3-pound sledgehammer, forged steel over strike protection sledgehammer with 16-inch shock-absorbing fiberglass handle. Look at that guy. Little mini sledge. 3-pounder for $12.50. It's cheaper than 3 pounds of meat. 16-inch, 3 pounds, mini sledge, only $12. That's such a good deal. JB Tools has it for $18.81. Zorro has it for $30.79. Look at half the price of Zorro, better than half the price. Zorro's even going to charge you shipping. Hell, that's almost a third of the price. Monster Clear Talk wireless earbuds, Bluetooth headphones, waterproof, noise reduction, fast charging. 50% off. I like these ones in the cases. Usually the way these cases work is there's a battery in the case and it charges these guys when it is in the case. $38.99, 50% off. Going to be under $20 for some Monster earbuds. Nice little stocking stuff for Christmas idea there for you. Quick Dry hoodies, compression shirt, long sleeve workout athletic gym hoodie. This is by X Thud. 50% off. This came in a bunch of different colors, obviously different sizes if you kind of like the look of it but don't want that specific color. Now, it starts out at $14.99, but we have that 50% promo code. Now, if you click that link, it'll open up a new page. It'll show you all the different options that the promo code will apply for. If you get some kind of an error message, it means they killed the code. It'll also automatically apply the code to your Amazon account, so you don't have to copy and paste this into your account or anything. Just click that link, boom, it's on there. You're ready to go. Does work for multiple quantities if you want to get different colors, but it's only $7.50. Of course, it's not like a thick cotton. It's not a winter hoodie. It's a gym hoodie. Put your hood up while you're doing your bench pressing. Look real menacing like. $7.50. Quarter-inch drive metric impact socket set. It's a 66-piecer. Deep and shallow, rather deep. Swivel sockets, ratchet handle, only the handle, not the ratchet itself. Extension bar, adapters, universal joints, back to the boing deals. 40% off, handy dandy clamshell case. Look at all them sockets. All them sockets. Look at all them universals. Look at them. Got the ratchet, extensions, bits, which we don't really care about the bits. But nice little selection there. Quarter-inch. $74.99, but we have a 40% promo code again. It's supposed to go through the end of the year. I'm going to still call it close to 50 because I'm not doing the math. Close enough for us. Bowen. 20-piece quarter-inch drive shallow socket set, SAE and metric standard sockets, 90-tooth ratchet wrench. I like how they just changed the name of what they call it. It was a ratchet handle before, now it's a ratchet wrench. I don't think we need the extra words, just ratchet is fine. Back to the yellow handy dandy case. These are chromies. 90-tooth ratchet, pretty good. They call them shallow. They look kind of mid-length to me, but quarter-inch drive, $26.99, 40% off. It's going to be like $15. It's like the price of the ratchet, and then you get the case and everything to go with it. Really good deal. And we have a leaf blower. This is Work Pro X, which is a little bit different. 4 amp hour, Type-C charging, which is actually kind of interesting. I'll show you here in a second. 500 CFM mini blower, lawn care. Work Pro X. Okay, so that's Great Star Tools. Of course, Work Pro. I don't know how extensive the X line is or when it came out or really what's going on with it. I know it's made by Great Star Tools, but that's about it. Type-C charging, so you can see it looks like the battery's working as a power bank to charge the cell phone, which I like that. Skill does that as well. A couple of brands do, but as far as the ones I own, Skill does that. And it looks like a decent little blower there. So it's $89.99, but then 50% off. So $45, supposed to go through the end of the year. You're getting the 4 amp hour battery, getting the blower. Now the only thing is, because I don't know anything about the brand, is you probably, if you want to expand, you got to look it up and see how many other tools are under the WorkPro X brand. And it may be the start of it, and they're building it out. If you don't care too much, it's still a good price to get a blower. Just keep that in mind. All right, guys, that is the latest amazing Amazon deals. Hey, if you go to one of these pages, sign up for the email list. Email listers usually are the first ones to hear about the deals. I typically send the email before making the video, so you'd probably have like an hour or two head start on everybody else. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscriber to subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.